So there's a version of your work that exists in a room that doesn't exist anywhere else. And you felt it. You're in front of people, you're on a stage, you're leading a session, you're in a room where the energy is right, and something is happening that goes beyond the content. People are with you in a way that's just different. The ideas are connecting differently. You can feel the difference between someone hearing you and someone actually receiving what you're saying. And then it ends, it's over. They walk out, life takes back over, and whatever was happening in the room, that quality of attention, that willingness to sit with the ideas, that sense that this actually matters, most of it doesn't make the journey with them. You probably tried to recreate it. Let me get better material, more production, different formats, and pieces of it come through. But something is always slightly off. The same idea that moved people in a room feels differently on a screen. It's not wrong, just less than what you know it can be. And most people assume that's just how it is, that something gets lost in the move from in-person to online, and you just have to accept a smaller version of the impact. But that's not quite right either. It wasn't random. There was something about the environment, something about the conditions, the structure around it that told people how to receive it and how seriously to take it and how much to trust it. Those conditions can exist outside the room. They just don't happen automatically anymore. And until they're rebuilt intentionally in the right environment, something about it will always feel slightly incomplete. And you felt that gap, even if you couldn't quite explain it. And the question is, what actually closes it?